Hey there, Miller team, friends and family. Darin and I just want to start by saying how incredibly thankful we are for you. You're our amazing clients, our friends, in this wonderful community that we get to call home here in Huntsville.
Yeah, it's so true. Your support means the world to us, so thank you very much. We greatly appreciate it. We've also got a lot to share in this newsletter, so stick around until the end, where the team will share what we're thankful for this season. Some of it's heartfelt, and some of it, well, you'll just have to wait and see. It'll be interesting, so make sure to stay around for that.
So first up, we've got a great blog post this month on a topic we're hearing more and more about, multi-generational living.
Yep.
We have 3 clients actually looking for homes multi-generational right now. So whether you're planning to combine households or need space for family members that need to stay long-term, this trend is growing fast, and we've got some great tips to help you navigate it.
Yeah, we do. And we're excited because we are just 2 weeks away from our most fun event of the year, because Santa is coming to town. And this year's theme is Winter Wonderland. And yes, there will be snow again in Huntsville, and we would love for you to be there and for you to join us. So be sure to click the link in this newsletter to RSVP, and don't forget to invite a friend or family to celebrate with us. We'd love to see your friends there too.
So, and lastly, we've included a recipe for a holiday drink that we know you're gonna love. It's called the Turkeytini.
Sounds
it's
weird.
The perfect treat to help you escape the chaos and relax during this holiday season, and it's delicious.
I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to. And so we hope you enjoy this month's newsletter and that it brings a little joy and inspiration to your holiday season. Don't forget to watch to the end to hear all of our thankfuls.
We'll see you at Winter Wonderland with Santa.
Yep.
And happy holidays.
Happy holidays from the Miller team.
I'm thankful for my pups and a cozy home to have my friends over for Thanksgiving.
I'm Treywick, and this is what I'm grateful for.
I am so grateful for my parents, Lewis's Gran and Papa, that every time we leave their house, they walk to the door and they stand there and wave and watch us leave. I pray that it's going to be a core memory for him that will last a lifetime.
What's one thing that I am most thankful for this year? This man. Happy Thanksgiving.
I'm thankful for books so good that you bring them in the car with you and hope for a red light so you can read them while you wait.
I am thankful for this little thing that lets me sleep in every morning, the snooze button.
Right there.
I don't know what I would do without it.
I am thankful that there is such a thing as an Edgar's cheese ball.
I am thankful for Christmas music.